Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best softbox lighting kit that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Favetech Softbox Lighting Kit 2500W. This is one powerful softbox lighting kit that you can now try out. It features a power output of 2500W, which makes it great for versatile uses. The energy-efficient softbox always reaches an equivalent of about 2,500 watts. In addition to this, the softbox has a reflective inner lining system with dimpled silver that maximizes the light reflection. The high-quality lighting kit is highly compatible with all cameras without having to sync. This is due to the fact that it features the non-flashing continuous lighting system. The 90+ Cre of the softbox aids in bringing about balanced daylight. At number 4, StudioFX 2400 Watt Photography Softbox Lighting Kit, H9004SB2. The StudioFX 2400 Watt Photography Softbox Lighting Kit is a quality product that comes with 3 softboxes of 16 by 24 inches in size. The softbox is also powerful, and with the 2400 watt, it will assure you of excellent and convenient service. It comes with a sandbag, which offers a better portability. Apart from this, it comes with a 5500K daylight balance bulb that will aid in balancing the darkness. It also comes with 3 light heads that can hold 4 bulbs each. The quality softbox is excellent for a wide range of activities, hence versatile. At number 3, Julius Studio Softbox 800 Watt Lighting Kit. What do you wish to use the softbox for? This is one versatile softbox that will serve a number of purposes like photo lighting diffuser, photo portrait studio, and camera photography among others. It features the standard socket base size that suits a number of bulbs. Other than this, the softbox comes with the photo lighting bulb that saves up to 80% of energy. The best-selling softbox comes with height-adjustable tripod that you can use for different activities. With the heavy-duty photo equipment carrying case bag, you will easily carry it with you. At number 2, Amazon Basics Desktop Mini Condenser Mic Microphone. The microphone comes with 2 modes and dials for headset. Yes, you can plug a headset with a 3.5mm jack on the back, and microphone volume. It is very much plug and play. I should note that the microphone is not very adjustable. The microphone can be tilted up and down without any problems, but it cannot rotate on its tripod because it is screwed in. However, the tripod can be unscrewed. The microphone comes with a USB to micro USB cable which is used to attach the microphone to the computer. However, the connection on the back of the microphone does not look very sturdy. I suggest that anyone who plans to use this be extra careful with the connection so that the micro USB end does not snap. At number 1, StudioFX 1600 Watt Digital Photography Softbox Lighting Kit, H9004S. For an ergonomic softbox lighting kit that you can easily control, you need to try out this. The softbox is user-friendly since it features the on-off switch. Second to this, the softbox is recommended for both video and portraits. With this quality softbox, you will easily regulate the temperature, hence it will hinder the color aberration. The powerful softbox has a power output of 1600 watts. Due to this, it will deliver reliable and convenient service. Even though it is one quality choice, the softbox is relatively cheap and affordable. You can easily adjust the height to achieve excellent service just as expected. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.